This is Morgan here from Fletcher Trading. Today we're going to be looking at a simple but highly profitable Forex trading strategy using two custom indicators developed by Fletcher Trading. Our first indicator is called the daily pivot points. This is a form of support and resistance, perfect for setting your stop loss and take profit. Our second indicator is called the Elder algorithm. Simply drag and drop it onto the screen here, and it starts to produce these signals. This indicator will predict the potential turning points in the market, and it's perfect for your entries. So to use this strategy, we'd first start on the 4-hour chart to do some higher time frame analysis. On the 4-hour chart, we would use the 21 and the 8 exponential moving averages. Here we're going to look for the trend. If the 8 is above the 21, then we're in an uptrend, and we only want to be looking for buy positions. And if the 8 is below the 21, then we're going to be looking for sell positions. I've just marked it here using these vertical lines. So after establishing the trend, I'll then drop down to the 15-minute chart. That's where we're going to be doing our trading. So as you can see here, we get the signals from the Elder algorithm. After getting the signal, you're going to want to wait for confirmation using the stochastic oscillator. So after we get the signal here, we're waiting for it to pass above 20. So that's somewhere around here. So we'd enter this position somewhere around here. After you've got your entry, you're going to want to set your take profit to either a recent high or a resistance level. And you're going to want to set your stop loss to a recent low or a support level, or at least 30 pips away. So as you can see here, this position would be a winner. I'm just going to scroll back to show you the sort of trades you can expect when using this system. As you can see, we have some nice buy trades here, and another buy trade here. Then we move into a downtrend marked by this vertical line. We do have a false signal at the change of the trend, but then we have some really nice sell signals here. We then move into an uptrend again, where we have some nice buy signals. If you want to get your hands on this software, then head over to the website fletchertrading.co.uk.